Word is an essential tool for any academic activity, and with its new updates it has very useful functions to get the best of it. These are some of its new functions that you can use and then optimize your time in each of your daily tasks. With voice typing, you can use Word's speak-to-text feature to speak your words instead of having to type them on the keyboard. This is great for when you are feeling lazy and may save you some time. To use this tool, you must open a new document, go to the Home tab, search for the word dictate and click on that button. Wait for it to get on and realize it starts. Start speaking to watch the text appear on the screen and then insert the punctuation allowed, such as period or comma. You can correct your mistakes by saying undo or delete at the end of XX words, or delete that. Using commands such as bold, italic, underline also work. If you are subscribed to Microsoft 365 to access Word and the other Office apps, there is an additional feature. If you open Word for the web, you can turn your recorded interviews into actual words on screen without having to type it yourself. Just open a new blank document online, then click the Home tab and then click on Dictate. Next, you should see the Transcribe button. Click the Upload Audio button and search your interview or audio file. You can start recording. Word will get its magic on in the background and display a full transcript in the sidebar. Click on the transcript to edit or copy it into your main document. If you are looking for a job, Microsoft Word can help. While most jobs prefer a template-based resume, you can use Word to draw inspiration from resume writing and then modify it to make it stand out from the rest. This role is known as a resume assistant. You can start the Resume Assistant by clicking the Review tab and then select Resume Assistant. The entire experience is powered by LinkedIn. Choose the Get Started button and then follow the instructions in the sidebar to complete your resume. You will see examples of various types of jobs and other fields that may be similar to yours.